They are ready for battle.
The following is a tornado tag team match. On the way to the ring at a combined weight of 470 pounds, Paul and Lane.
Ever since I took my spot here at the commentary table, I have wanted to call this match. I cannot wait to finally do it.
This is gonna be good.
And their opponents at a combined weight of 555 pounds, Saban and Hunt.
The feeling, the electricity in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt in quite some time. This match is gonna be good. These tag teams showing they're ready to do battle under tornado tag rules.
All over the match that'll make your head.
Quick pin attempt here. That's one way to break up a pin attempt.
Military press.
Ooh. Oh, look at this here. Arm wrench.
Here's a fine left. Schoolboy into the pin.
Oh, wait a minute. Turns the leverage for a pin of their own.
And a kick out.
He just powered out there, Cole.
Oh, wrist clutch. Into an arm breaker.
Nasty.
Byron, what kind of mindset do you have to thrive in a no DQ match?
You have to be willing to both dish it out and take it, Michael. Sure, there's the thrill of being able to use a chair without the worry of disqualification, but you have to remember that you're not the only one with that freedom.
Yeah, swing that chair as freely as you want, but be prepared to feel it swung back at you sooner rather than later.
Go behind.
German!
9!
A sledgehammer. This is going too far.
Really just laying it in.
He's not going to be able to pull this off, is he?
Oh,
is he?
Yeah!
Wow! That was a power bomb with one message in mind. Absolute destruction.
Totally helpless at the moment. Ooh, going over the top all the way to the floor. There's absolutely no regard for your opponent's safety when you toss them to the outside like that.
Double stomp. You have to protect your shoulders from hits like that. You don't want to compromise your ability to throw a punch or lock in a hold.
He's absorbing a lot of damage here. Thrown out of ringside and back to the mat.
Down on the chest. suplex. Oh, no.
There it is. He could end it here. Oh, somehow.
Getting the shoulder up before 2 tells me the end is not near.
Uh-oh. Look out. Simple but effective.
And check out this ridiculous power.
Oh, an uppercut.
Getting him right into the corner.
He wants this fight on the outside. He's heading back to the ring.
Oh, what an uppercut.
Oh my goodness, that was a showing of control and aggression. Something they'll want to keep up.
Here's the pump handle. Suplex.
Launched.
And I think this reaction is only firing him up. He loves it.
He's been dealt a good deal of damage.
Brutal club.
Oh, look at that torture their opponent. Oh, this isn't going to be good. Oh, man.
Don't do it.
Suicide dive.
Whatever it takes to win. What a display of fearlessness we just witnessed.
That's the kind of attitude you need to take yourself to the next level. Stop after stop after stop.
Whoa. All the way down to the floor.
Reckless and foolhardy. You can't just hurl yourself out of the ring like that without knowing for sure that you're going to connect.
It was a terrible landing, but looks like everyone's okay enough to continue. This could be the beginning of the end.
Uh-oh. And he slides him back.
On the ropes, has to let go of the hold now.
Everything he can do to create space here. And he turned it around.
Uh-oh. I wouldn't be getting up if I were him.
Middle rope. A missile drop kick from the middle rope.
Textbook head scissor takeover.
Very nicely done.
I don't know what they're looking for here.
He wastes no time dodging the attack.
He quickly slides into the ring.
Oh, this is really getting out of hand here. Someone needs to step in. Connects on the kick. You know what he's thinking, and it is not good.
No way. Astounding power.
End of days.
Can it be capitalized on?
Two. Oh, my God, he's still in the match. He got the shoulder up right at the last moment. No love lost between these superstars right now, really trying to prove who the better man truly is.
Ooh, brutal impact into the corner.
Saw it coming. It counters it. Oh, look at this here. Arm wrench. Oh, man, that'll bend your arm. And he comes in under the ropes now.
Boom. What an uppercut.
He's looking like easy prey, about to fall into a trap.
Heads outside the ring.
And no countouts means he can take his time.
Oh, colliding with the kick to the midsection. Oh, this is so much fun to watch. We're at a vital stage in this matchup, and this audience is fully aware of it.
Yeah, they don't know. And they'll score the win. What a tag match.
Here are your winners, Saban and Hunt.
Making their case for one of the best teams around with that win.
These two had no trouble adapting to the stipulation and utilizing each other's strengths. Impressive stuff.